Okay. Good morning, everyone. I'm Cesar. I'm Cesar Lemus, and in this opportunity, we are going to do an activity, a very important activity. This is for a module, the module that's 2.6, community health terminology. The topic is honey better for cough than antibiotics. Right here, you can see and you can watch a bee. A bee, as you know, is very important for the environment. It helps to pollinate the flowers, and it brings the honey. The honey is very delicious. It's very healthy. And my teammate is going to explain some data that is necessary. You need to know. Okay. So let's start. My teammate, his name is Javier. Okay.
Hi, my name is Javier. Like Cesar said, I'm going to tell you why the doctors in the UK say don't go to the doctor, go to take or eat honey. Next page, please. Okay, our topic is honey better than antibiotics. Like I say, doctors are advising people not to visit a doctor to get treatment. That sounds really crazy because some people forever say go to the doctor, no homemade medicines, go to the doctor, and this sounds really crazy. Next page, please. Instead, people who have a cough should drink or eat honey or get some medicine from drugstore. Like say the doctors in the UK don't go at a doctor because the cough are made by viruses, and viruses normally improve in like 2 weeks or 3 weeks normally. Next question. The doctors are the most of the time cough will improve on this one within 2 or 3 weeks if we take nothing. Like I said, cough and sore throat are made with viruses, and viruses improve. It is not necessary to take antibiotics. Next question. Many viruses are infectious and becoming resistant to antibiotics. Some medicines are becoming less effective. Like I said, viruses are not antibiotics don't work fighting the viruses because antibiotics fight, like I said, viruses, and the viruses normally improve 2 or 3 weeks. Like I said, homemade medicines don't work sometimes, but in this time to the cough or sore throat, honey is the best option for calm the symptoms for cough or sore throat, like I said. Now my second sister.
Okay. Before starting my presentation, my team is going to deliver you a shortcake. This is a gift, the part of us for you. I hope you enjoy. And okay, let's start with the presentation. As my team said, the honey is very important, and I have in this report some data, some information that is very necessary that you need to know. I need to explain this. I am speaking English. I can explain you this in Spanish, so it's difficult that you can understand. But I will try, okay? I will try because this information is necessary. And maybe after this, you can look for me for knowing more about this. Here we have a replica. This is a honey, okay? This honey is very special because the honey can fly and she can find some flowers. When the flower is here, and she pollinates the flower, and here this is the process of the honey. The honey, when you take the honey, it can help to soothe your throat, and also it can help for the cough and the colds. I need to explain this because sometimes we commit the error that we take antibiotics. Do you know what is an antibiotic? Do you know? Do you know what is an antibiotic? Antibiotic is this one. This is vitamins for pregnant women, but imagine this is antibiotics. I only found this in my house. So imagine this is an antibiotic. An antibiotic is created for bacteria. And many times, and it's very usual, that we can get a cold or cough because virus. But these antibiotics don't help for the viruses, only helps for the bacteria. So it's very important to know that. When you take an antibiotic and you have a virus, it doesn't help, it doesn't work in your body. I need you to catch this information, okay? It's very important. And for that reason, we are creating super bugs. The super bugs, imagine, a super bug is this. Before this one. This is a super bug. A bacteria virus that is very stronger. It's stronger than others. And it's very difficult to treat this one because it starts becoming stronger. You understand that? Stronger. It's stronger than other. So this bacteria and virus can kill more people, and it's information real. In the United States, 35,000 people died in a year because of these superbugs, because we are not taking conscience of how dangerous they are. So I can give you much information about this because it's an extensive topic. It's very long, but I need to catch this information, please. I can't speak Spanish right now, and I would like to speak Spanish to explain this because it's very necessary. But right now I can't, and I need to catch this information. But now I will do a dynamic. For example, you. Which one? You. Which one will you decide? The honey or the antibiotics? Which one will you decide? Choose. Which one will you choose? Okay. Which one? This one or this one? And you have a difficult cough. You are very bad. Honey. Would you like to taste? No. Okay. Don't worry. For example, Jefferson. Which one will you decide? The antibiotics or the honey?
The honey.
Do you want?
Don't lie.
Don't lie. We are bad. The honey is very delicious and healthy. Okay? You. Which one will you decide? The honey or the antibiotics? The honey. Okay. So, in tandem, together, please, together. Which one will you decide or choose? The honey or the antibiotics? Say. Honey. You're right. You're very right. Yeah, you catch the information. I'm very happy for that. So, how much time? I have. Okay. I don't know. It's there. Yeah. I think I only have 2 minutes more. So you can see this, and here's the end. You can see this beautiful thing that we did. Before you can catch the information. The bees are very important. And here I can say another thing. I can tell you more information that it's very relevant for you. We need to take care of the bees because the bees are dying. The bees literally they are They are dying. We are killing them because of the pollution, because of the chemistry that we use in the industries. So we need to focus on taking care of the bees, because the bees are part of us, and this world can't live without the bees, and that's a fact. That's a totally fact. So I think we finished this presentation, this exposition. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got some information. You have. Okay. My teammate has some question for you, and you can win something.
Okay. Hi. Again. For one more extra chocolate for you, I have questions. I don't know you are prepared, but the first question is, what's our topic? What's your topic? What's our topic? What's your, bueno, en español, ¿cuál fue nuestro tema?
Oh, in Spanish, no. In Spanish, no.
Okay.
Only English. Only English. They must try to understand.
Or the next question is really easy. Honey or antibiotics?
Jefferson. Okay. Okay. You are a gentleman.
And the last question is easy. But raise your hand. What is this?
It's a bee.
Hey, it's a bee.
It's a bee.
It's a bee.
Okay, so thank you so much for paying attention. Thank you for the teacher. Because of the time she gave us for us. And remember that honey better for cough than antibiotics. The antibiotics are not trash. We need to remember that. But if we have a very difficult bacterial infection in us, we need to go to the doctor and treat this. But when we have a common cold or a cough, we can eat the honey and it can be better for us. So thank you so much. Have a beautiful day and take care of you. It's beautiful, the life. We can't be sad. Maybe we have problems, but we can recover them. So thank you.
What do you use antibiotics?